The price starts at 41,600 euro, and the range goes from 440 kilometers up to 630 kilometers, which is definitely the longest range of any SUV or crossover in our price, which I think is incredibly important. Also, of course, you can see the SUV design here. So we didn't go for the typical hatchback look. This is the fastest growing segment in the world, and we wanted just to make a really sexy, cool SUV that's also super sustainable. We have class-leading range because we got the latest battery technology with a super energy-dense battery pack. You'll see inside the most advanced screen in the world with the highest resolution. Our Fisker Intelligent Pilot, as you can see down here in front, we got the world's first digital radar. And that is way better than an analog radar. Why? Because instead of a radar just detecting the distance, this actually also detects the height of an object, and it dissects the object even better, so you can see if it's a cat running over the road, or if it's a child, or you can see if it's a motorbike, or if it's a car, or if it's a car or a truck. So this is a whole new radar that we're the first in the world to have. Of course, it's not because we were able to pay more money than any of the big car companies. It's because we could integrate this radar faster than anybody else. California mode. Yes, we are from California. We want to have fun. That means you push one button and all the windows go down. Also, these little 3/4 windows here, which normally never opens in a car, which is, by the way, why the design line looks like this, because that allows the window to roll down without hitting in the wheel arch. The rear window also rolls down in this feature, which means you can put in long things. California, it might be a surfboard. Here in Europe, it might be a long piece of wood or your fishing rod or whatever you want, or a pair of skis right now. And then, of course, the roof opens up. It's the largest open roof in the world with solar, as you can see over here. So we got solar sky roof, where we also have a video of the solar sky roof that you can see up here. So we have the largest screen, or one of the largest, in a vehicle as a single unit, 17.1 inch. But it does something really cool, and you can see it up here. It actually is a revolving screen that turns, and the reason is when you think about your phone, you use it like this, but then when you watch a video, take a photo, you go like that. So you can sit and watch, a movie or play a game while you're charging in actual Hollywood mode, as we call it. Which is pretty cool. And then, of course, I think we do have a video of the Hollywood mode up here, so you can actually see the rotating screen as they put it up. And that's something that wasn't easy to develop, because we also have to do all the crash tests and everything else for this screen to work. Now, at the moment, the Hollywood mode only works when you actually park, because it's a pretty big screen, 17.1 inch. Okay, so we are really a new car company for a new world. I think the world is changing so fast with technology, and it's important that in the car industry we change as well. So we want to be at the forefront of that. As I mentioned earlier, by developing a car in less than 2.5 years, we can put the latest technology in this vehicle. We start deliveries here in November in many European countries, as well as in the US simultaneously, and then of course we ramp up. We will have experience centers all over Europe where you can come in and see the vehicle. We already have signed up several service groups, but we will take care of the service. Our first experience center is in Munich. That's going to be launched this summer. And we are super excited to launch this vehicle. So thank you very much for coming, and come up and see the car close by. We're going to move all this stuff here. Thank you.